Five-time Emmy winner Alex Duda has been tapped as executive producer for The Kelly Clarkson Show, which debuts next fall in national syndication on NBC-owned stations. Duda, who has an overall development deal with NBCUniversal, will executive produce the hour-long show hosted by Season 1 American Idol winner and current The Voice coach Clarkson, set for premiere in September. Alex was instrumental in developing The Kelly Clarkson Show with us and brings so much talent, daytime TV experience, creativity and heart to this project, said Tracie Wilson, EVP Creative Affairs at NBCUniversal TV Distribution. Alex's wide range of producing expertise, combined with her talent of inspiring storytelling, is a perfect complement to Kelly Clarkson's strengths as a talk show host. Duda's previous credits include executive producer of Emmy-winning shows Steve Harvey and The Tyra Banks Show. The new daytime talker starring Grammy winner Clarkson is described as a fun, energetic show that breaks with tradition. Each episode will feature stories, celebrity guests, surprises, humor and music. The show is getting a prime slot on the NBC stations where it will air as the lead into daytime anchor Ellen in all but one market. "I'm looking forward to working with Alex," Clarkson said. "In the short time we've been able to work together, we have certainly made a great team." The Kelly Clarkson Show is produced and distributed by NBCUniversal Domestic Television Distribution with Alex Duda serving as executive producer and showrunner. Clarkson and Brandon Blackstock are also executive producers. "Kelly Clarkson is America's celebrity," Duda said. "As our first idol, Kelly was chosen by us, for us, because of her unique combination of relatability and otherworldly talent. I love telling stories that entertain and inspire, and am thrilled to be able to continue doing so alongside an incredible artist like Kelly."
Prior to her work with NBCUniversal, Duda worked with Endemol Shine North America, where she created and executive produced Style Network's hit Jerseylicious, as well as Chicagolicious, the Glam Fairy, Built and Oxygen series Find Me My Man, among other credits.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.